Hi guys, this is the Tech Studio. In this video, I am going to unbox the Sony HANYCAM. Let's see the information printed on the box. In the left side of the box, we can see the important specifications of it like nightshot plus 20x optical zoom, and more. And in the right side of the box, we can see the contents list of the box. I show them in a few seconds. Let's see on the top of the box. Here, we can find eco info, and more. On the back side of the box, we can find the battery info, multi-language operation, and more. Okay, let's unbox the camcorder. First, we find the remote for the camcorder. And then, we find a cassette. AC adapter's first part. And the audio-visual cable. When we remove this cardboard, we find the camcorder. AC adapter's second part. And the camera operations guide. So, here the box contents. The unboxing is over and let's see the camcorder. The camcorder was launched on January 6, 2005. It is 15 years old. It works without any problems. We can also connect it to a computer. Videos can be taken only when we insert a cassette. I will show you where we insert the cassette. This camcorder has 20x optical zoom and 990x digital zoom. I will show you the 20x optical zoom. Here we have the camcorder box and here is the 20x optical zoom. When we zoom in to 990x digital zoom, we can see clearly in the LCD display. Let's see the remote given with the camcorder. This remote was not used for past 15 years from the date of purchase. Let's see whether it works. Let's zoom. Wow, it's working perfectly. Let's also see the viewfinder. This camera also has lights. Okay, the video is over and in the next video, I will show the video samples, nightshot plus and more. Thank you for watching my video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications for the next video.